Hello, we are group 15. Our topic is the great apes and environmental challenges. My name is Alondra.
I'm Helen.
And my name is Edra.
So here are a few images of several ape species. So some environmental challenges that apes go through are deforestation. Many forests have been converted to agriculture fields, cattle pastures, mines to extract minerals, or for urbanization. This is affecting the ape population and other species with access with resources such as food and shelter. Also, as forest becomes more condensed, it will also have an impact on competition between species. If continued, it is estimated that by the year 2030, developments leading to deforestation or habitat fragmentation will have damaged more than 90% of ape habitat in Africa and more than 99% of orangutan habitat in Asia.
So we're going to focus here on the Amazons. The deforestation has increased by 50% in the beginning of 2020. And they have increased patrolling for illegal lumbering to reduce the deforestation in the Amazons. And 80% of Brazil's deforestation is from the cattle industry due to the demand of beef. Amazon is considered the largest carbon pool on Earth. And there's also been shown that there's an increase methanogens emissions from the soil due to pastures being constructed in the Amazon forest. With that said, the researchers actually went in and took 3 different types of soils in different parts of the Amazon forest, which was the primary part of the Amazon, the pastures that have been developed, and the secondary rainforest. And it was shown that the primary and secondary locations had a decrease in a methanogenic activity, which act as a methane sink. And for the climate change, since deforestation causes less transpiration going into the atmosphere, which will cause a decrease in precipitation in that area. With less rainfall, trees will become dried, which can cause forest rains. They can decompose or die, which will cause a CO2 emissions into the atmosphere. Wildfires will cause temperature increase in addition of the radiation from the sun. And also the increase of CO2 gases and others that are in the atmosphere increase temperature. And 25% of the greenhouse gases are due to the contribution of deforestation.
So there are some physiological effects of this on the apes. Deforestation has forced primates to live in isolated forest areas, which has led to decreasing numbers, loss of genetic diversity, population restructuring. Physiological changes that endanger the primates include nutritional shortfalls and lower gut microbial diversity, increased prevalence of parasites and pathogens, higher chance of exposure to pathogens from human and domesticated animals. And this is because the close phylogenetic relationship between primates and humans increases the potential of pathogenic exchange. Deforestation, along with more severe climate change-induced events, can affect the food supply, which can lead to negative consequences on health, fertility, and mortality. So primates are forced to make changes and adapt. One study shows that communication behavior of howler monkeys has changed in areas impacted by deforestation.
And this is a small video.
This is our forest. And this is our forest with our apes. Now, this is the forest and our apes in it after deforestation. As you can see, there's not a lot of space and they're able to run into each other. All seems well and the apes are smiling, but eventually they're gonna end up fighting over resources, food, and mates. Here you can see, gradually, the aggression starts and a fight takes place. These apes are too close and they're not social distancing or wearing masks. Obviously, they're gonna get sick.
She is so cute. Cute baby. She seems so aggressive.
This is our
So now we're going to discuss the population. From 1930, the Borneo orangutan population size was estimated at 210,000. And now in 2020, population has dropped down to 57,000. That is a very big decrease. And here it's just to throw out, this has nothing to do with climate change or of climate, but it has to do with science. But primates are still being used to be drug testing rather than mice and rats because they are the closest relatives to humans. So not only environmental challenges that these primates have to go through, but also being used for laboratory testing. And these are references.